What's going on, guys? Lewis with Elite Fine Finish, and we're at Extensive Metal Works doing one of the episodes for season 4. I am shooting the Renner 1061, which is the exterior varnish. A lot of people ask or say that you can't shoot really high viscosity or thick materials with the Apollo. This stir stick is standing straight up, if that tells you anything about how thick this material is. So really high on viscosity. I haven't reduced it. I'm pouring it out in the cup so it's a little easier to put in the gun. So we're going to walk straight into the booth, and I'm going to show you that this product can be sprayed out of the Apollo. I'm using a 1.8 tip with the C High Solids cap, and again, that product is thick. So let's get it in the gun, we'll walk in and we'll shoot. No camera tricks, Apollo 7700, C High Solids air cap, 1.8, needle and nozzle, 7.1 on the Apollo Precision 5, no reduction. You've seen that product, it was super thick, we had no issue spraying it. So any questions that you have on the equipment, feel free to reach out to us, www.casosales.com/HVLP. All right, guys, have a good one.